I'm Alfred Slanetz. I am CEO of Geneius Biotechnology company. So the thing that I see about NFCR that's very distinctive compared to even other organizations in the cancer space is that mission to really fund the research, which is completely novel and paradigm shifting, that can lead to a completely new modality in cancer, or to take products from that early preclinical laboratory work all the way into the first-in-man patients studies that need to be done. A lot of therapies that are out there today wouldn't have even made it without the funding that NFCR provided at that critical point of time. I think that the way that it's expanded is to really assure that those therapies get into patients more. I think the funding of translational research, as opposed to just the basic research, is something that's evolved over the last few years as part of the mission, and I think it's a very important one.
My name is Susan Band-Horwitz. I have just become an emerita professor at the Albert Einstein College of Medicine after working there for 52 years on the faculty. And I have to say that the funds that I've received over the last 15 years from the National Foundation for Cancer Research has been extraordinarily helpful. It's allowed me to do different experiments that I would not have been able to do without that funding. They have also supported a collaboration between my work and Professor Amos Smith from the University of Pennsylvania, who's a superb chemist. And together with his chemistry and my pharmacology and biochemistry, we've been able to do experiments that we wouldn't have been able to do previously. And I think that we have to recognize that today one has to have a variety of collaborations. Science is so complex. Cancer is such a complex disease that to approach it, we need to know a lot. And we have to have backgrounds in many different types of science. So collaborations is absolutely the way to go. One can't do it alone anymore.
Ron DePino, University of Texas, MD Anderson Cancer Center. Well, I have had a very varied career where I've been involved in starting biotechnology companies, running large academic institutions, conducting basic science, and taking care of patients. And those varied perspectives gave me an appreciation that to make an impact, to bring discoveries and knowledge to the point where it benefits patients and reduces pain and suffering, really requires the collective capabilities of diverse entities, diverse disciplines to be able to affect change. Well, cancer is one of the great mysteries of all time, and to crack that mystery really requires an investment in unfettered basic science. And NFCR has played an important role in illuminating the deepest mysteries of cancer and how it progresses and ultimately takes lives. And so it has figured very prominently in that regard. In addition, it has now turned its attention to converting that knowledge into patient impact. And it does through its Aim High program. But I think one of the most important things that the NFCR has done is to convene groups that are from different disciplines, the entrepreneurs, the venture capitalists, the academics, the policymakers, government, all coming together around this shared mission to make cancer history, and to do so using the collective capabilities of those diverse groups.